Hello, good morning.
Dad, I've been brought today, so I'm not that's our animal.
You got a full mouth. Finish chewing.
I hope you don't.
What's happening over here? What just happened this morning?
The cat just put her butt in Bobby's face. That's what's happening.
The kitty and the puppy went missing. They just went out the door and they said bye-bye. Thank God they're okay, right?
Yeah.
God is good. Look at this. They're alive and well.
The cat's playing with me. She's purring while she's playing.
Yeah.
She's rubbing her toe. That's funny.
I don't think that'll work, honey.
Levy can ride on a skateboard.
Nella, you ready for me to